Do you want to know why some people became unique, different and great? It's because they did the following. Number 1, they never listened to ordinary people. Ordinary people put others down, until they become ordinary like them. Any great person realized at one point of his life, that following the ordinary will only lead to becoming as ordinary as them. Number 2, they were passionate about something. All great people were passionate about something in life, and they all fought for it to the last moment. Those people became great, because they defended their values and held on to their dreams. Those who gave up, on the other hand, never made it that far, and that's why no one heard of them. Number 3, they swam against the current. No matter how good the thing you are trying to reach, you will always find very strong resistance from people. Most people think negatively, don't believe in themselves, and have false beliefs about life, and as a result, they will usually put you down whenever you attempt to do something big or different. All different and great people swim against the current. Number 4, they take the hits. I would be lying to you if I told you that everything is going to go smoothly. You will never achieve your goals without facing so many difficulties, and if you are not ready to take the hits, then you will collapse under the pressure. It's not about how hard you hit, but it's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Number 5, they kept trying. All success stories of great people are almost the same. They all failed, tried again and failed again, then kept trying and failing until they did it. In order to be a great person, you need to realize that failing is the price you have to pay before you can be successful. Before we continue, I want to show you the overnight millionaire mind hacks system, secretly used by the rich and famous.
I installed a whole new operating system into my brain, one that was programmed for massive wealth. The results were staggering. Not only did I become the first multi-millionaire in my family, watch my parents' reaction to the news here.
Oh Lord, this is a blessing. Oh man, thank you, Wesley. What you glad about?
Oh, Wesley, thank you, man.
No problem.
Oh, man, thank you, God.
That still brings a tear to my eyes. This wasn't supposed to happen to a poor black kid. In fact, I still have tears of joy running down my face when I discovered I was featured in Entrepreneur, BuzzFeed, and Forbes for helping 100,020 men and women just like you manifest their dreams in record speed. And as you look at each feature below, or my nearly 1 million verified followers on Instagram, you'll notice two things. One, they prove that my success and my ability to help others succeed is 100% real. And two, these mainstream publications can't grasp or share the real truth about how wealth is built with the mind. So they'll chalk up my success to stuff you've heard before, like positive thinking or hard work, which are damn important. But let's face it, there are a lot of broke people who think positively and work hard who don't have two nickels to rub together.
Number 3. Incorporate pieces of nature into your workspace. Whether you realize it or not, it's completely natural for humans to look toward nature, to help ground themselves, and get rid of negative feelings like stress, anxiety, and overwhelm. So if you can position your workspace near a big window that lets lots of natural light in, and ideally looks out onto some trees or green space, you'll be doing yourself a big favor. If that doesn't work, you can create a similar calming sensation by using houseplants or photos of nature near your workspace, while also toning down any artificial light from your computer screen, lamps and light fixtures. Even if you can't work directly near a window, try to maximize the amount of natural light flowing through the space as much as you can. Number 2, use the Pomodoro Technique to increase your stamina. The Pomodoro Technique is perhaps my favorite productivity tool, and all you need for it is a simple kitchen timer, or a timer app on your smartphone. It involves using very short blocks of time, 25 minutes, to focus on completing a task, followed by a short break, 5 minutes. By focusing on one task for a short time, coupled with taking frequent breaks, you'll likely end up getting more done faster, and find that you'll be able to work longer, without losing focus or energy. Set the timer for 25 minutes of completely focused and uninterrupted work, after which you'll get a 5-minute break to stand up, stretch, go to the bathroom, get a drink, or do anything else you need to do. Repeat this 4 times, after which you'll get a longer 40-minute break. Number 1. Train your brain like a dog. I love this idea, and I use it all the time, particularly for tasks I really don't want to do. Just like you can train your dog to do all sorts of tricks, as he stares longingly at the treat you're holding right in front of him, you can sort of do a similar thing with your brain. First, pick out a pleasurable reward that ideally serves to enhance your productivity, rather than derail it. For example, it might be something as simple as lunch, or a cup of coffee. You could even reward yourself with a short walk around the block, or a few minutes spent checking Instagram on your phone. Write it down on a post-it note, and keep it beside you as you work. When you get your task done, you'll be able to indulge a little,